In the last episode, we covered the top part of the PA Bar Association mock trial website. In this episode, we will cover items 5 through 9 and what's important in the contents. Welcome to PA Voter Information Network. This is Larry DeMarco, your host. Are you anxious about this upcoming election season? Well, I have a cure. Just click the subscription button on my YouTube channel and all your opponents are guaranteed bad luck. The following episodes will be directed to attorneys and teachers who want to advise or coach teams. However, any student who wants to review the following episodes, the material is directly relevant to you, and you will learn something by reviewing these videos. In the previous episode, we finished with the conflict date forms, and now let's look at the guidelines for attorney advisors. Briefly, the rules of evidence have been greatly simplified for high school students because they have not had evidence in law school, of course, and they've been modeled after the federal rules of evidence. Tournament procedures permit direct, redirect, and cross of each witness. Another important key rule is that it's called a rule against extrapolation. The students may not contradict witness statements. No student can make up facts that are beyond what's contained in those statements. Another guideline, attorneys should not dominate the learning process. We want the students to learn on their own, and the attorneys serve as guides. Preparation is supposed to be a cooperative effort of student, teacher, and attorney advisor. So attorneys want to support and not talk down to students. Try to spend a minimum of 10 hours with each team. I personally think you'll need more. The first session with the team should be devoted to the following tasks. I have my own recommendations as to what I think an attorney should do during that. What they're suggesting is answer questions which students have concerning the general trial process, explain reasons for the sequence of events found in a trial, listen to students' approach to the assigned case, and discuss general strategies as well as raising key questions regarding the enactment. I personally don't think the students are advanced enough to get that far and need some guidance, but those are the Bar Association recommendations. Second and subsequent sessions with students should develop proper questioning techniques and testimony of the witnesses, be an observer and critical teacher, listen, suggesting, and demonstrating to the team. Next on the list, number 6, guidelines for jurors and scoring judges. The reason to skim this section is to know how and why the students will be judged. It's always good to know what criteria upon which you're going to be rated. Next on the site is hints of preparing for the mock trial competition, and this section is solid gold for the students. Before the problem comes out, there's going to be a lot of time, and this is where the students should be spending their time. There's about 14 pages, I believe, that are here, and this is where most of the learning will take place when there's not a problem to study. The next section is mock trial learners' outcomes. This is an inspirational, motivational part to read to let them know the skills that they'll gain by making it through the program, becoming good public speakers, gaining analytical thinking, and learning how to solve problems, gaining self-confidence, and all the other different skills that they will obtain in participating in such a practical course. Coming back out to the webpage, there's a newsletter that is going to be posted at a later date, as well as the Philadelphia rules of the competition for people who live and compete in Philadelphia. If you like this episode, please subscribe to PA Voter Information Network. Forward this link to an attorney friend who might want to coach, a high school student, high school teacher, or other high school administrator who could benefit from starting a mock trial team. Don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment below. I would appreciate receiving your feedback. Signing off. Tune in next time. Bye for now.